NIO is trending amid surging optimism as investors react to a series of operational milestones that reinforce the company's improving fundamentals. The biggest catalyst? Consistent record breaking battery swap activity combined with guidance pointing toward its first ever adjusted operating profit. During the Spring Festival travel rush, NIO logged an all time high of 177,627 daily battery swaps, underscoring the real world utilization of its battery swap ecosystem. The company now operates 3,750 swap stations across China, including 1,022 along major expressways, and recently surpassed 100 million cumulative battery swaps, a milestone many bulls view as validation of the long term viability of its battery as a service, or BaaS, model. Operational momentum extends beyond infrastructure. NIO reported record Q4 deliveries of 124,807 vehicles, reinforcing scale advantages and supporting management's forecast for its first ever adjusted operating profit. For supporters, this signals a turning point. Years of heavy investment may finally be translating into operating leverage and margin improvement. Sentiment within the community, however, remains divided. Bullish voices argue that record swap utilization demonstrates strong ecosystem stickiness, scale is improving gross margin potential, adjusted profitability marks a structural shift in the business model, and a sustained move above key technical levels could trigger a significant breakout. Meanwhile, skeptics caution that China's EV sector remains intensely competitive. Profitability must prove durable, not one quarter dependent. Ongoing US China trade tensions and tariff discussions could continue to weigh on US listed Chinese equities. Debate has intensified around perceived market manipulation and algorithmic suppression near psychological price levels, with traders closely watching for a decisive breakout. Discussions surrounding potential changes to U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods are adding another layer of macro driven speculation as investors assess whether easing trade friction could improve overall sentiment toward Chinese EV stocks. Overall, the narrative around NIO is shifting from survival and cash burn toward execution and profitability. The key question dominating forums now: are these operational records enough to force a broader market re rating, or will skepticism continue to cap the upside?
Okay, so this is an update to the video of Saturday the 21st. Okay, so the stock is showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend. It's 200-day moving average. This one here, yeah, which underscores its underlying trend is still sloping bullishly upwards. So this is now the, let's see, this is the third straight session of gains, and the extrapolation, just as we saw it on Saturday the 21st, is saying that at least up till Friday the 6th of March, higher prices are expected to prevail. Okay, the 40-day moving average is equally expected to continue to rise as well, yet to serve as a possible support in the case of a possible pullback. Okay, let's see what we have. Yeah, okay. So projections are saying 5.3 to 5.68, 5.9. For some reason, they're all around $5. Volatility is expected to remain in place at least possibly up till early April on based on its 10-day moving average. So what we have here is indicating that in the very short term, volatility is expected to remain in place. The 10-day moving average is currently getting $0.54 every day. Let's see what we have for its 21-day moving average. Okay, yes. quite volatile as well, still volatile, gaining $0.54 as well every day. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look at the 40-day moving average. Equally volatile as well. Okay, that moving average is gaining 22 cents every day. Let's have a look at the 200-day moving average. Let's see if this volatility is expected to affect it in the near term. Yeah, still. So volatility is still expected to affect all the moving averages. So the extrapolation is saying that it may continue to print higher prices. It's currently gaining. Let's see what we have down here. Gaining 13 cents every day for now. Okay, let's have a look at the market grid and see what we have for the stock. Let's have a look at the market grid. So we have a range of between. Let's see down here. Okay, I think it has exceeded its market grid. Is currently at 5.33 now. So 5.22 is now a support. Okay, does it have any resistance ahead? In as things stand right now, there's no resistance ahead. But our previous projections, well, moving averages. Let's see. It has some resistance ahead. It should have. We're looking at some these Fibonacci projections here. It has some resistances ahead. These 5.68, 5.93, but they're not they're not clustered. They're not clustered, so they may not be stiff resistances. Yeah, 5.9, 5.68, and 5.9 is currently at the 10-day moving average right now. That's where it is right now. Sorry, it's currently at this projection of 5.32. Okay, let's see. Okay, the probability of it retesting the next rejection, 5.5, is statistically less than 50%. Yeah, but we'll see how all of this will pan out. On the 4-hour chart, let's see what we have. On the 4-hour chart, let's see. Some contraction is expected from the close of today's trading session up till tomorrow's pre-market session. We have a consolidation with an accumulative bias, and then going on to accelerate, build up momentum towards Monday, the 2nd of March. On this 4-hour chart, projections are saying nothing as not as ambitious as what we have on the daily chart. 5.25, 5.33. They're all downward projections right now. I think we looked at the yeah. We can have a look at the weekly chart. Okay, yeah, everything's pretty much flat here. Okay, on the weekly chart, no extrapolations. It hasn't been around long enough. Projections here are a lot more ambitious. We'll have $8.8, $8.09. Yeah. Okay, see what you make of our NIO stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.